Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial we're gonna create this nice content reveal animation in Framer. When we scroll down, the background element of the hero section becomes our first section with a great 3D rotation, right? And since I needed a sample section at the very bottom, I animated text as a nice addition. So let's get started. I used Framer's pre-made navigation, hero and FAQ sections that I included using the insert menu, then changed their colors. And at the very bottom, I used a sample footer section with viewport height. We're gonna start with wrapping hero and FAQ sections in a stack and name it hero content wrapper. And I'll make its height 200 VH since we need some scrolling space for our content reveal animation. I'll make it distribute start in order to align content to the top. Lastly, I will add a fill to it, light blue from my styles, and make the color's opacity 10%. Then I will select hero stack, make its position absolute. Its top spacing should be 0 and it should be pinned to the top. The rest is simple. We just need to wrap the content in a stack and apply a scroll transform to it using the hero content wrapper's bottom as trigger. So I will right click FAQ and I'm gonna wrap it in a stack and call it content wrapper. Then I'm gonna make its position sticky and its width should be fill, and I'm gonna make its height viewport height. Then I will add color BG as its background color from my styles. In order for sticky position to work, I need to make hero content wrappers overflow visible. Now we can add scroll transform effect to the content wrapper, but before doing that, since we're gonna use hero content wrapper as trigger, I will add a scroll section to it and name it simply 1. After adding scroll transform effect to the content wrapper, I will make it trigger section in view, viewport should be bottom, and section is gonna be 1. I will select from, I'm gonna keep opacity at 0.5 and make the scale 0.3. Next to rotate, I will click 3D and enter 44x, minus 184 y value, and minus 44 z. When we preview, we can see as we scroll down, our FAQ section gets bigger with a 3D animation, but we can make it look better. I'm gonna add a perspective value to content wrapper under transforms and make its value 500. Now when we preview, we can see our content is filling the screen in a much better way, right? I think if we hide the content and show only the background in the from state of the animation, things can look better. So I will add another stack to FAQ and name it content wrapper inner, add a scroll transform effect to it as well, and make the trigger section in view. Viewport should be at the bottom, and again section is gonna be 1, which is the hero content wrapper. And since we want to hide it, I'm gonna make its opacity 0 under from, and I'm gonna leave the scale at 0.5. Let's preview again, and our content is invisible. It looks like a nice background element without any content. And when we scroll down while it's being animated, also its content becomes visible, right? As a last improvement, I will animate the text I have in this sample footer section. But to make the animations replay visible when we scroll up, I'll first add a scroll section to its frame. Then I'll select the text and add a text effect to it. Trigger is gonna be section in view. Section is gonna be, of course, 2. Viewport should be at the bottom. Replay is gonna be yes. Then I'll click effect next to enter and make scale 10, blur 0, And Y offsets also should be 0. And let's preview. As we scroll down after our content reveal animation, we can see a great text animation at the bottom. And when we scroll up, we see the reverse version of the animation, right? Which looks great. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.